Alrighty, I have a construction update for you guys today. This was filmed on November 30th, and as you can see on the screen, they are already laying down the gravel that they lay down before putting down the bricks. So they are moving really quickly on this area. In fact, in this 45 minutes of drone flight, you can see the progress that they make throughout. But there's even more exciting news that is starting to take place around the front gate that I caught on the drone. With that being said, you can tell that there's definitely some sort of X format forming here. So two paths come in and then cross over into two other paths. So that's a really interesting format. Makes me think that there is going to be some circular fountain directly in the middle. Heading on over to Moosehorn Falls, they are gutting one of that building, that little pump house that was right there, sorry, on the screen. They've started gutting it and putting it in the dumpster over there. And you can see the cut out grass. Nothing totally interesting going on over here. As you can see, they got some pylons marking the roadway. So definitely some shipments and construction vehicles coming in. There was a contractor over behind the storage area, kind of with the fence open into that muddy area. So definitely going to be keeping an eye out over there. Hartwell is going in and out of a front gate building with some Wonderland workers. You'll see some ladders and stuff arriving as well. So definitely some work taking place inside the front gate building. So definitely keeping an eye on that as well. I guess some of the bigger news I can drop is I have heard rumors that the merch store is going to be getting gutted after Winterfest, and that could also be a telltale sign that front gate is going to be receiving some major overhauls to some extent. So again, they could be starting this front gate construction, building this path, while they can right now, because they have to move over to the next phase of the project, and they want to make sure that this is done before next year. So definitely showing signs that this is a major front gate overhaul, but don't get your hopes up yet. Okay, again, when you start assuming, you know what that means. It makes the out of you and me. But we'll be keeping an eye out here. There's a huge orange marker down there. So I definitely want to check that out in person today at Winterfest, because I found that really interesting. I've never seen such a large orange marking something. So either it's a main electrical component or something else. So we'll be keeping an eye there. But yeah, I'm really excited. So I guess I'm going to end the voiceover here, and you guys can keep watching if you want. Nothing else to report. But yeah, thanks so much. See you guys at Winterfest. Bye.
Every change